Hey folks, blue skies, warm temperatures across the valley today. It's still hot, 104 in Rio Grande City. McAllen's 96. Here in the Mid-Valley, 94. Raymondville, Harlingen at 93. About 90 at the beach right now, or at least in Port Isabel. A little cooler on the island, upper 80s there. Overnight tonight, we're going to bottom out in the upper 70s, low 80s. Depends on where you are. The beach about 81 for low. Brownsville about 80 degrees. And then tomorrow, we're right back up into the mid-upper 90s again, with the exception of the island at 89. Rio Grande City probably touching 100 again. Winds out of the south-southeast tomorrow at about 10 to 25 miles per hour. So just a mainly sunny day. High temperatures the next 3 days. The normal's 95. We're going 96, 97, 98. Records won't be threatened, so we're just going to be a little bit above the seasonal average. It's a 30-year average. Doppler network today, there is not a flood warning on the map for the first time in about 10 days, and you can see that area, though. No rain today, but still some flooded areas there, but most of the streets are back open again. Future Track says it stays quiet tonight. A few high clouds come over later on. They dissipate tomorrow. We end up with mostly sunny skies again. Some of the models hit that the sea breeze might try to activate tomorrow in the coastal counties, so there could be a brief isolated shower during the afternoon, but the flavor of the day is definitely going to be dry and hot and humid, all that together. So we're going mainly dry tomorrow, so your chance of rain less than 10%. Same thing on Sunday. Could be an isolated sea breeze shower, and then Monday we're back to dry again. So it's just a very, very slight chance for a shower. Nothing big, we don't believe. Texas now under the influence of the big ridge that's kind of sitting right on top of us. All the moisture's around it. None of the moisture in it. For the most part, it's a dry day across Texas as the ridge kind of takes control. A little bit of a disturbance comes through tomorrow to help trigger that sea breeze shower, which may linger into Sunday. After that, the high just kind of meanders around Texas, really controls things. There's a little dash line. That's the remnants of the system that was here earlier in the week. We're going to keep watching that, because it's eventually going to end up probably down in the deep south and near the Gulf Coast again by the early part of next week, and drifting westward by the end of next week. Probably not a weather maker for us, but folks on the Gulf Coast from the Florida Panhandle back to Louisiana watching for that, for signs of some rain and maybe some development. It bears watch. In the meantime, these are your current temperatures. Laredo, the hot spot right now, at 103. El Paso at 101. 91 San Antonio, 92 in Dallas. Same thing in Longview. If you take a look at tomorrow, maybe you're traveling, what's what you expect tomorrow afternoon? 90s, pretty much statewide. You go to Sunday, about the same thing. After cooling into the 70s, it warms up. If there's a shower, that would make it a little bit cooler. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy skies later. A lot of high clouds come in from that rain over in Mexico. Warm and muggy, south-southeast winds about 5 to 15. Then tomorrow, back up to 96, a mainly dry day. Slight chance of something on the sea breeze, but we're talking a really small chance. 96, 97, 98. And then we kind of hold in that vicinity even up to 100 by the middle of next week. Don't expect any significant rainfall other than that isolated sea breeze shower the next 2 days. That's your updated First 1-5 forecast. We'll be back right after the break.